Hey friends, how are you? We are here today to count up the totals in our sinking funds. This is going to be the totals for January of 2025. Just wow. We're going to get right down to it. Let's see. This is my Bright Undated Budget Planner. A couple of people have asked me about this spiral bound version. Unfortunately, it is sold out. I don't have any plans to bring it back unless, for whatever reason, a bunch of people start to want it. So the only way to get this budget planner is the regular bound version in Amazon. And by that, I just mean it's not a spiral. But you can get this on Amazon. It is linked below along with my other planners and savings challenge books and everything. So again, we're going to be using this and it does have a sinking fund totals page in here for you. At the end of the month, I always like to count up my sinking funds and then, just kind of see where I'm at, see what I added, what I took away in the prior month. And then you also have an end of the month check-in, which I don't currently use, but I know a couple people have actually told me they liked the addition of this. So if you use this page, let me know what you think, because I am thinking about a new planner, you guys. Okay, so I actually am now just realizing that I forgot to transfer over my totals. So I'll just show you quickly what I'm going to do. So our last month was December, and I did start this planner in, I believe, November. So I'm going to flip back to the end here. Again, this is an undated planner, so you can start it any time. And so here we have our December totals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer the name of the sinking funds over to the new sheet, and then I'm going to transfer my ending balance. So this would have been the ending balance at the end of December. That's going to be my starting balance for January. And so I'm going to go ahead and transfer all those numbers over now, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and transferred all those totals over, and our total at the end of December was $25.03. So what I'm going to do now, before I go ahead and start counting out the money, is I do have two things that I need to stuff. And so let's pull out the binder. This actually is not the correct binder. So the first thing is in my kid fund here, I did give my son $30 for the book fair, and he did come home with change. So we're just going to add that right back in. So let's actually go ahead and see how much change we have, because I did not count this. And they actually put a receipt in there too, which is nice. The coins, I'm just going to go ahead and stick in my coin jar over there. I will do that later. And then let's see, he got, I think, 3 books. No, he got 2 books. The third one must have been just a little freebie. So he spent $26.33 he spent. Looks like he actually had a $5 credit. I guess that was from fundraising or something. So he actually spent $22, it looks like. So let's see, $5, $6, $7, $8 left. And he ended up getting 2 books with little Lego figurines. I think I might have told you guys, he is really into Legos right now. And so they have some books. They're like, I guess, little comic books, sort of. But on the front, they just have a little tiny Lego set, like maybe 10 pieces or so. And they make a little figurine that goes along with the book. And so that's what he actually got last year as well. So that's what he ended up getting this year. All right, so let's count this up. 20, 45, 55, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 75. And that's strictly because I couldn't do 67 plus 8 in my head. So 75, I'm going to write that down on my tracker so that we don't have to count that a second time. So let's see, kids, we started with 107 at the end of December, and we now have 75. So this is January of 2025. And no, I cannot subtract that in my head. 107 minus 75. So minus $32. Okay, I am not hopeful for this, you guys. I could tell you right now, I had $800 in my taxes, and then I made that payment, so $800 is gone. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of see how this goes. All right, the next thing I need to do is I do need to add to my birthday sinking fund. Is that in here, or actually is that the other binder again? I think that's the other binder. Okay. I have one finished savings challenge up here that needs to go in, and so we're gonna stuff that now, and then we will count this one up as well. So I have this here from Ren over at Mischief Managed Budgets. This was her set of birthday scratch off cards, which I absolutely loved. And so we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120 is what we're going to be adding. And that is a nice amount to add into my birthday fund. I keep telling you guys, the kids' birthdays are right around the corner now. Ivy's is actually in 2 weeks. 2 weeks from today. Her birthday is February 17th. And so it is coming. It's coming. We're just having a party at the house here. I still need to figure out what we're doing for that. Let me know how you all are. It's been a while since I've filmed. Today is February 3rd. No, it's February 4th. Can't even believe it's February already. You're going to see this video, I think, tomorrow on Wednesday. So happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I hope you're having a wonderful week. But yeah, let me know how you are. I actually went live this past weekend just for a little bit, unannounced. So, you know, that's kind of the way I do things. But I did give an office/craft room tour here in our new house. So if you're interested, go ahead and check out that replay. I also asked a couple questions in there. If you decide to check out the replay, I'd love it if you would answer the questions in the comments, because I'm looking for some feedback. So yeah. All right. So in birthdays, we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 230, 250, 260, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 313. Wow, that is awesome. And I feel like that is the most I've had in a long time. 313. Don't worry, it'll all be gone after my son's birthday. 313. Let's see. Let me write that down. Okay, 313. So we ended December with 183, which means we added $130. Yes. Plus 130. So that is a nice big increase. Okay. So now we're going to go down the line. I'm going to just start with this binder since I already have it out. So Penelope, we started with 187. We now have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2. 242 in here. I do need some sort quick, but I have no idea where it is right now. 242. So 242 minus 187 is 55. So we added 55, which is very good. Car maintenance, we had 84. It's probably the same. I don't think I added anything to this. 50, 70, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 94. Okay, I'll take it. Plus 10. An increase is an increase. I still need to get my car checked out. I haven't made an appointment or anything yet, but I do need to. Holidays, we started with 100. I definitely think we still have 100 in here. 20, 40, 60, 81. Yep. So 100 there, no change. Groceries, we started with 20. We still just have the 20 in there. Yes, $20. No change there. We already did birthdays and we already did kids. Okay. So how are you all doing with your sinking funds so far this year? Let me know. For me, as you guys know, things have been tight. So again, I'm not expecting a positive result on this, but at least I have some money in here for things that I need. So, all right, Amazon. Let's see. We started with 174. I did take some money out. So 100, 150, 70. Okay. 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 194. I will take it plus 20. And I actually printed out my next tracker, which is right here. So let me just stick this in. This is just how I like to keep track of, like how I like to make sure that I'm saving what I need to every year. And yes, I did have my coffee mug on there, so disregard. But I'm not going to start filling this out until March, because I still have one more stuffing of $20 to get me back up. Let's see, 194. Actually, I probably owe more than 20, but I don't think I'll be able to do more than 20 this month. So yeah, I'm going to start that tracker in March. Okay, beauty. We started with 130. We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 25, 30. So still 130. I do have a massage coming up in March sometime. I'm not exactly sure of the date. So most of that is going to be spent. Okay, vacay. Oh, if I had done this a little bit earlier, this would have been a huge increase. We had $355. I just made that payment of $1308, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, $9 now. But the credit card is almost paid off, so that is good news. All right, so minus 346. Ouch. It's definitely going to be negative between that and the taxes, but again, that is what the money is here for. I still need to decide on my taxes. Did you guys start filing yet? I am slacking this year. Normally I file like really quickly. Okay, subs has 0. We started with 0, so no change there. No, normally I file really quickly. This year I'm just slacking. I still need to print out like all of my like receipts and everything for the Etsy shop. And yeah, I'm just being lazy. Okay, emergency, we had 218. We now have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 273. So I really need to get on that and kind of see what I'm going to want to be paying for quarterly taxes this year. 273 minus 218, so plus 55. Dead, I don't stuff. Medical, we started with 145. We now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 70, 170. Is that right? Yes, it is. 170 here in medical. So what's that? Plus 25, right? 170 minus 145. Yes, plus 25. And then finally taxes. So again, we had 800. We now have 200 in here. So minus 600. Okay. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and total up our ending balance, and then I'm gonna total up the difference, and they should match. So I will be right back. All right, you guys, the total we have here at the end of January is $1,820. I'll take it. I honestly thought it was going to be lower. So I am happy with that. So if we do 2503 minus 1820, it means we are minus $683, and that's not too bad considering I paid $800 alone from taxes, and I was able to add the $200 back in. So again, I will take it. So minus 683. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to total up this difference column, and that should come out to negative 683. And boom, just like that, minus 683. So everything is all correct. I love when math works out like that. And that is it for this one, my friends. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. Coming up next, I have a cash stuffing, I have a savings challenge stuffing, I have a Temu haul. I actually have more things being delivered today to film, probably 2 more Temu hauls. I want to do a cruise / travel haul. So I'm super excited about that. And then I will probably film the other random like non-travel stuff and maybe do a separate video for that. So we have lots of things coming. I am working on some new Etsy items I'm super excited about. So we are hopefully starting this year off with a bang. But once again, thank you for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.